All right, it's time for the Legal Minute with Martin Harding and Mazzotti at 1-800-LAW-1010. Got Paul in here this week. Good morning, Paul.
Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning.
Good morning. So we're talking about Attorney General T.J. Donovan, and what's happening with citizenship?
Well, the Constitution of the United States calls for a census every 10 years. And so, very clearly it says we're going to count the people in our country in the specific regions, not count the citizens. So the Trump administration sort of got this thing they want to add, they are adding to the census that says, are you a citizen? So not only is TJ, but lots of different folks around the country, lots of different attorney generals are stepping up, and they're suing the Republican administration at this point, Trump administration, and trying to get that taken off because logically they think, well, some people aren't going to want to check that box because they're not sure what's going to come next, and therefore we won't have a true census.
Yeah, there's
Like
no way it would
privacy?
be accurate. It wouldn't be accurate because people are going to lie.
Yeah, because the census is one of those things that you get it, you do it, takes about four minutes, and you throw it in the mail. You don't think about it again. But if all of a sudden you're wondering, is someone going to knock at my door to come, grab my cousin,
Right?
Who's not a citizen, and even though he's not, a criminal, he's not doing anything wrong. He's just not. And so, sure, it's going to be a cooling effect, and probably the reason for adding that question to the next census.
So what's TJ doing?
Well, what he's doing with a bunch of folks is he's saying, hey, guys, take that off. That is not going to give us an accurate, because the Constitution's very clear. We're counting the people. It doesn't say counting the citizens.
True.
And we know that by asking certain questions that we're going to have inaccurate information. Now, bigger picture, well, what does the census do? It brings about millions of dollars into the state, into the districts where the most people live. It also gives you the number of people representatives in your House of Representatives. So, it's really a sense of, it's about money and it's about potential redistricting, which could be politically helpful for one of the parties.
Wow.
This is it's
Very
interesting and complicated all at the same time.
Yeah, TJ's is a little smarter than everyone else, so he's got a plan. And go ahead.
We like TJ.
Yeah.
I couldn't dive in. I don't know exactly how he would do that, but he's doing it.
Good for him.
And his position is pretty clear. Let's enforce the Constitution of the United States. Let's not cool it down by asking questions that are going to do that.
Hey, thanks for shedding some light on that, Paul. That's pretty interesting.
It sure is, absolutely.
Yeah. Good talking to you guys.
It's Martin Harding and Mazzotti at 1-800-LAW-1010.